What's up, guys? Peter Zane coming at you via the new iPhone 5C or 5S. Apparently, Apple had a debacle last week on their actual iPhone sales and took a little plunge. Big news for this week for the options outlook is essentially the worries about a possible government shutdown. Government shutdown due to the funding of Obamacare. Futures are currently down about 20 handles, and things are looking pretty rough out there. I'd be very, very careful if you have long positions. Do not overreact. Know that this time is a time of volatile moments. VIX is high. At the money, vol is very high. So in general, I'd be very, very careful of a possible correction in the markets. Again, 169 has been a very big issue in the SPY. The big names out there that are possible fundamentally from an institutional position holding standpoint that would be good shorts would be possibly Tesla, LinkedIn, possibly MasterCard, Visa, those names. Your LVS wins. Your casinos are obviously one of the last places people ever want to hold positions. And in general, guys, when there is more volatility in the markets, I would be very, very careful with holding long positions. When they are demanding vol, markets are usually falling lower. This, in general, when at the money vol or VIX is high, you actually have more support in the options values, okay, calls or puts. So this actually leads to lots of opportunity going into earnings season, coming up in about a week and a half, 2 weeks here. So again, guys, the names to watch out for are your Teslas, your Wins, LVSs, MasterCards, LinkedIn's, all your cult stocks most likely have all been institutional players have probably been, dumping their positions with all this additional, money coming in from retail side. So again, do not be part of the herd, be part of the smart money there. Think about, are your institutions adding positions or are they taking off positions with the advent of Syria worries, with the advent of possible Obamacare defunding, and even a lockup for a whole entire year. So again, guys, be careful what you're watching out here for. This could lead to a serious downward cycle, and in general, I would be very wary of adding long positions, but again, be careful of trading in front of the news. And in trading in front of the news, again, we mean by possible government shutdown. Wait Monday, Tuesday, get some stock positions on. I know that volatility will be going through the roof, and after the decision, whether or not we go up or down, vol will come off a little bit. Okay, so be careful of paying too much for your options going into the next few days. I would honestly sit on the sidelines. If you want to play stock. If you want to sell vol, I'd be very careful about selling volatility. Either way, it's not a very good look, and I'd rather wait to see how the markets react, how they perceive all the news, and then use that information and use that additional volatility to play into earnings season. Again, watch out for your big high flyers taking a huge step back. Price line's over $1,000. That thing's got to come back eventually, especially on a big market correction. So again, guys, this is Peter Zhang via Market Find Benzinga with your options outlook. Over and out.